A day after the Supreme Court called for an out-of-court settlement of the long-standing Ayodhya dispute, the Apex Court will now hear criminal conspiracy charges in the Babri Masjid Demolition case today. The court will revive hearing conspiracy charges against top BJP leaders and several Vishwa Hindu Parishad leaders. BJP leaders like L.K. Advani, Uma Bharti, Murli Manohar Joshi, Kalyan Singh have their necks on the line for their alleged involvement in the riots that ensued after the demolition of the Babri Masjid. A special court in Lucknow had dismissed the charges against them on technical grounds, saying that in the composite case filed by the CBI on the basis of 2 FIRs in Lucknow and Raebareli, one did not have their names. The Allahabad High Court had later upheld this order. Remember, only on Monday, the Apex Court called for an out-of-court settlement of the Ayodhya dispute, which was hailed by the BJP but criticized by some Muslim groups. All right, let's now tell you what this entire dispute is all about. Let's take you through the past, the history and the background.
A flashpoint loaded with a troubled history. A mosque built in 1528 on a site Hindus believe where God Ram was born is torn down in 1992 by supporters of the VHP, Shiv Sena and the BJP on the wave of an unprecedented Ram Temple movement. This episode was a culmination of a campaign led by senior leader L.K. Advani, who set out on a Rath Yatra from Somnath to Ayodhya in 1990 to galvanize sentiments. Just a year after, then Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi allowed unlocking of the temple gates. Advani's yatra ended in 1990 with his arrest in Bihar, but the movement carried on. December 6, 1992. A 450-year-old mosque is razed to the ground by Kar Sevaks. The quiet town of temples, sacred cows and ancient ashrams, Ayodhya, sets Hindus and Muslims on a collision course, sparking nationwide rioting and the deadly serial bombings in Mumbai. Meantime, the Ayodhya dispute remains caught in court cases, and the Hindutva groups continue to pursue their quest for a temple. The movement catapults the BJP to national power in 1998. Fast forward to 2003. The Allahabad High Court orders the Archaeological Survey of India to excavate the disputed site. In its report on August 22, 2003, the ASI reports it found relics of a 10th century temple beneath the demolished structure. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board vows to challenge the ASI's findings. 7 years later, on July 26, 2010, the High Court bench reserves its judgment, advises all parties instead in the case to resolve the issue amicably. But none was keen. On September 30th, the same year, the court orders a three-way division of the disputed site between the Sunni Waqf Board, the Nirmohi Akhada, and the Ram Lalla. The judgment sparks a string of pleas opposing the partition. Just last year, on February 26, the Supreme Court allowed BJP leader Subramanian Swamy's petition for a disposal of pending challenges over the Allahabad verdict. On March 21, 2017, the top court recommends negotiated settlement of the pestering dispute. For the first time, a Chief Justice of India offered to mediate in person. Other two judges from the bench were also available to step in, the CJI said.
For the first time, we have the possibility for a Supreme Court judge moderated, negotiated settlement on this issue. So far, it has always been bilateral.
least 9 attempts have been made in the past to resolve the explosive dispute through dialogue. None succeeded. For now, the Supreme Court has asked petitioner Swamy to consult the parties and get back by month end. The jury is still out whether the latest effort for an out-of-court settlement will bear fruit or not. This is Harmeet Shah Singh with India Today Bureau.